Cleaning a chandelier can feel like a daunting project, almost like preparing for a delicate operation. Its intricate arms, dangling crystals, and ornate details seem intimidating at first glance, but with the right approach, it becomes a careful, methodical task that transforms a dusty, tired fixture into a radiant centerpiece once again. Chandeliers, by their very nature, are meant to sparkle and draw the eye upward, but when they gather dust, cobwebs, and grime, they lose the brilliance that makes them special. Fortunately, you don't need to be a professional to restore your chandelier's glow. You just need a thoughtful plan, the right supplies, and a little patience. Click the link in the description below to get our 100% free top 10 cleaning products list, and our emergency speed cleaning checklist plus bonus. You will also get access to our free community, made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Before you even think about climbing up to clean, your first step is to prepare. Cleaning a chandelier is not something to rush, so carve out enough time to do it properly. Turn off the light at the wall switch, and if possible, also cut the power from the circuit breaker to be extra safe. Light fixtures can retain heat, and mixing heat with cleaning solutions is a recipe for trouble. If the chandelier is positioned high above a staircase or in a hard-to-reach area, consider whether you'll need a tall ladder or even scaffolding for safe access. Never attempt to clean a chandelier while stretching or balancing precariously. Safety is your absolute top priority. Once you have safe access, it's time to gather your cleaning materials. You'll need a couple of soft microfiber cloths, a gentle cleaning solution, such as a mix of warm water and a few drops of dish soap or a solution specifically designed for crystal, a spray bottle, a lint-free drying cloth, and possibly white cotton gloves for polishing. Lay a thick blanket or towels directly beneath the chandelier in case any pieces come loose. This helps protect delicate crystals from shattering if they fall. If your chandelier is especially valuable or fragile, it's wise to take a picture before you begin, capturing the layout in case you need to reassemble it. You have two main cleaning approaches to choose from: cleaning the chandelier in place or taking it apart piece by piece. If the fixture is particularly dusty but not grimy, you can often get excellent results by cleaning it while it's still hanging. For this method, lightly spray your cleaning solution onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the chandelier itself, as you don't want moisture seeping into electrical parts, and gently wipe each crystal and arm, turning the cloth frequently to avoid smearing dirt around. Use slow, deliberate motions, supporting each piece as you clean it to prevent unnecessary strain on the fixture's delicate parts. The chandelier needs a deeper clean. Say, if it hasn't been touched in years or has sticky residue from kitchen grease or cigarette smoke, you may need to remove individual crystals. Work methodically, removing a few at a time and placing them carefully in a shallow container lined with a soft towel. Clean each piece by dipping it into a solution of warm, soapy water, then rinsing it gently and drying it with a lint-free cloth. If you're wearing white cotton gloves, you can polish each crystal directly without leaving fingerprints behind, which is especially satisfying because you can see the clarity return with each wipe. While you're cleaning, don't neglect the frame itself. The arms and body of the chandelier, often made of metal, glass, or a combination, gather just as much dust and grime as the crystals. Use a lightly damp cloth to wipe these surfaces, taking care around decorative details. For intricate carvings or hard-to-reach spots, a soft bristled toothbrush or a cotton swab can help lift away stubborn dirt without damaging the finish. If the frame is made of brass, bronze, or any special finish, stick to plain water or a cleaner approved for that specific material to avoid tarnishing. As you clean, resist the temptation to rush. Part of the beauty of chandelier cleaning is its deliberate, almost meditative pace. Working slowly not only prevents accidents, it also gives you a chance to appreciate the artistry of the fixture itself. Chandeliers, after all, are not merely light sources. They are sculptures of light, with every curve and crystal carefully designed to refract and reflect in dazzling patterns. Treating the process with respect honors that craftsmanship and gives you a deeper connection to the space you're caring for. Once every piece has been cleaned and dried, reassemble any parts you removed, referring to your photographs if needed. Double-check that all crystals are securely fastened and that nothing was overlooked. Finally, after ensuring everything is dry and securely back in place, turn the power back on and step back to admire the transformation. When the light switches on and the chandelier sparkles like new, throwing a dance of rainbows across the ceiling and walls, it feels like magic, your room lifted and brightened with a single task. Regular maintenance can make future cleanings far easier. Lightly dusting your chandelier every month or two with a feather duster or microfiber cloth will prevent heavy buildup from forming. Scheduling a deeper clean once or twice a year, perhaps in spring and before the holidays, will keep your chandelier dazzling with far less effort than waiting until it's heavily soiled. And remember, cleaning your chandelier isn't just about looks. Clean crystals reflect light more efficiently, meaning a brighter, more welcoming home. Ultimately, cleaning a chandelier is about more than restoring shine. It's a beautiful, careful act of stewardship. It's about recognizing that the small, sparkling details we often overlook are the ones that quietly lift our spirits and make our homes feel extraordinary. In a busy world, taking the time to pause, to polish, and to illuminate our spaces in this way is a reminder that care and beauty go hand in hand. Click the link below to get your free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and your free Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. And join our free community,